Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard not working on Windows 11 step by step. Whether it's a wired or wireless keyboard, we've got multiple fixes. Let's jump right in. First things first, unplug your keyboard from your PC, wait a few seconds and plug it back in. If that didn't help, let's try this next fix. Click the Start button and go to Settings on the left menu. Click on Accessibility, scroll down to the Interaction section. Click on Keyboard. Make sure Filter Keys is turned off. Filter keys can block quick keystrokes, which might make your keyboard seem unresponsive. You can also scroll down and turn on the on-screen keyboard if you need temporary access. Still not working? Let's update your keyboard drivers. Right-click on the Windows Start button. Click on Device Manager, find keyboards in the list, and click to expand it. Right-click each keyboard device and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will check if a better driver is available and install it for you. And that's it. Your keyboard should now be working perfectly on Windows 11. If this guide helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe for more tech fixes, and leave a comment if you have any questions.